Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCam YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail design, especially how to create the gradient, also known as paint chip manicure at home. There are many ways to create this look. Today, I'll be saying the first method. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must watch for everyone. This is how my nails look. It is all prepped and ready for the nail polish. You can check out my salon style manicure at home video to prep your nails as I have done. And view this playlist for nail shaping. I start by applying a base coat on my nail. I do this to protect my nails from the nail polish color. I wait for the base coat to dry up completely. Next, I'm going to apply the nail polish. I have selected a red nail polish that I already have in my collection. As you can see, the color is a bit dark, or you can say deep in the shade. So I have decided to apply this on my thumb fingernail and make it darker as I move towards my pinky. Now the next step is for creating the gradient effect with the help of black nail polish, a clean nail polish brush, nail polish remover, cotton pad, and a plate for mixing. I add 1 drop of red and 1 very tiny drop of black on the mixing plate. I add 1 drop of red nail polish and 1 very tiny drop of black nail polish on the mixing plate. Using the cleaning brush, I quickly mix the nail polish and apply it to my index fingernail. Next, I clean the brush using acetone-free nail polish remover and cotton. And repeat the previous step, except for this time, I add 2 very tiny drops of black nail polish. And I apply this to my middle fingernail. I'm almost done with creating my gradient effect. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the different gradient and paint chip manicure styles that I will post in the future. I again repeat the previous step, except this time I add 3 very tiny drops of black nail polish. And I apply this to my ring fingernail. Again, I clean the nail polish brush using acetone-free nail polish remover and cotton. Now, for the last time, I again repeated the previous step, except this time I added 4 very tiny drops of black nail polish. And I apply this to my pinky fingernail. And I'm done creating my gradient effect. I wait for my nail polish to dry completely. After this dries up completely, you can apply a top coat to seal your work. But I did not want to, so I just left it bare. To make your nail art last longer, please do try out some of my tips and tricks. And don't forget to try this nail art design using different colors. If you're having trouble in deciding on color or color combos, then check out my video called How to Choose a Color. If you're interested in nail designs, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Pros and cons of this method. Pro: you don't need any fancy tools, tape, nail guides, or anything else. As for nail polish, just 2 shades are enough. And the con? Need patience. Time to see which lighter and darker color combos you like the best. And of course, you will need time to experiment with how much black nail polish is enough to change the color to your desire. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!